In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to add multiple accounts on TikTok. Now let's get started right away because this is super easy to do. Now all you have to do is click on your name at the top, and then right there it says add account. Or what you can do is go to the settings, scroll the way down, and then right there it says add account. Now keep in mind, you can only add up to 3 accounts currently on TikTok. So if you already have 3 accounts, then we'll say that you cannot add another account and that you have to log out of one. But basically, yeah, once you or when you can add another account, you will end up right there. And you can log in with anything you want. So I'm just going to log in with Google real quick. Then click on continue. Then right there, I'm going to fill in my email address. Click next. Then right there, your password. And now I'm logging in. And as you can see, I'm now logged in this account. And at the top, I can switch between accounts, as you can see right there. So yeah, that's basically it. If this quick video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a good day.